The first fish I caught almost dragged me in. It was probably smaller than I remember. I was maybe 4 or 5, but I've been hooked ever since. I love helping people find the right gear. It can make the biggest difference in helping them get out sooner, catch more fish, and have an overall better experience. So when I couldn't find a decent rod carrier, I knew I had to do something about it.
Dan showed me a rooftop rod carrier unlike anything that I had ever seen before. It had a level of panache that just didn't exist in today's market. And I thought to myself, what can we do to make this better?
Over the next 3 years, we worked closely with a group of engineers to design something that was strong, fast, easy to use, secure, and can accommodate 95% of all fishing methods, all while looking damn good.
After countless prototypes and testing, we are proud to introduce the Telos Altair, the world's most universal rooftop rod carrier.
Altair can hold a fully rigged rod while keeping everything protected, letting you hit the water as soon as you get there. And when you're done, you don't have to de-rig. Just throw it back in, and you can deal with it when you get back home or to your next fishing hole.
With its expandable design, it can fit rods up to 12 feet in length and reels up to 6.5 inches in diameter. And this is suitable for fly fishing, bait casters, spin casters, saltwater fishing. Whatever your style of fishing, it suits your needs. It's also stackable, which means you can bring as many or as few as you would like.
We use the best materials and a sleek, minimalist design to make sure Altair enhances the look of your vehicle. But it's not just looks. Altair is tough as nails. Powder-coated aluminum tube and a glass-infused nylon reel box helps keep your rod secure no matter the terrain. The entire interior is lined with a soft EVA foam to cushion your rod, prevent abrasion, movement, and wear in transit. We even added a lock to keep your rod safe when you're on the road.
Fishing is all about one thing, getting out there and catching fish. So with the Altair rod carrier, you spend less time rigging and more time fishing.
Our mission is to get the right tools in your hands so you can get on the water sooner and for longer. Back our campaign today and get yourself the gear you deserve. Altair, arrive ready.
Reach all your gear in 1.1 seconds. Introducing the Top Shelf Camera Bag, the first camera bag to give you full access to all your gear in one smooth, seamless action. For decades, camera bags have struggled to balance speed with access. After 5 years of prototyping and testing, we finally created the world's first open layout bag that gives you both. Just swing, click, and have all your gear ready at your fingertips. Top Shelf features a fast access latch that opens quickly when you need it and securely locks with a simple press. Don't worry about equipment falling out. It's the same system used to secure hoods in race cars, so your gear is safe. And if you want, zip it up for extra security. The bag swings into a flat tabletop position, creating a stable platform for you to switch lenses, bodies, batteries, filters, or cards. It also makes a great workstation in the field, and an impromptu stabilizer for video shots. Customizable dividers give you endless options to organize your gear, accommodating for the largest lenses and smallest accessories. Best of all, you can quickly switch between a sling bag and a backpack without Top Shelf ever touching the ground. Enjoy speedy access when shooting and even weight distribution when traveling. If you don't have time to switch, a side access door gives you fast access to preferred gear in backpack mode. Top Shelf also features a side pocket with a hidden laptop sleeve and phone slot, 2 additional front pockets for extra gear, and a hidden tripod strap for easy carry. Speed, access, security, stability. Top Shelf is everything you need and want in a camera bag. Back our campaign now and never waste another second reaching for gear again. We are Bevis Gear. We're adventurers and photographers just like you. We made Top Shelf to solve our own needs, but it's now expanding to so much more. We're ready to start manufacturing and just need the funds to make it happen. We promise to continue to innovate and create powerful solutions for your everyday problems. Thank you for supporting us. We couldn't do this without you. Order yours now and never waste a second reaching for gear again.
The idea for the ForeverPen was born out of something very simple. Having something with you all the time that was small enough to never forget, but functional enough to need often. We always need to jot down a note, sign a check, or open a box, and often we're not so prepared. This is why we engineered a single instrument with a strong and robust exterior that's seamlessly attachable anywhere, that you could have with you wherever you go, and that could last a lifetime. Our specialist silver composite is machine milled down to a precise point, made with weight and balance in mind. The base has a clean pass-through for attachments, with a pen point that's filed down to create a soft, nib-like feeling that'll last forever. We know that you may not always have a pen on you when you need it. This is why our entire design was based on crafting a reliable tool which is versatile, convenient, and the ultimate everyday carry. Take it anywhere, have it everywhere.
I didn't always have these powers. I used to be a normal guy, living from day to day, just like everybody else, never knowing when the next mistake would catch me. Then one day I went online and discovered something that changed my life forever. Mudra band, they called it, and it already actually worked. I got it, unboxed it, and swapped out my regular Apple Watch band for the Mudra band. Suddenly, nothing was the same. I gained powers beyond my wildest dreams. All of reality was at my fingertips. And all I had to do was make little gestures. Yeah, life is sweet. This is Mudra band, the world's first wrist-worn brain-to-device interface. And yes, it already actually works. The Mudra band connects to your Apple Watch. Using neural technology, it translates your finger movements into everyday control functions on your watch. By capturing subtle finger movements, the Mudra band lets you touchlessly interact with your watch using just one hand. No needs to pause, look at the display, or engage your other hand. Setting it up is as simple as it gets. Connect your Mudra band and watch through Bluetooth and start enjoying limitless freedom. We need your help to make the Mudra band widely available so that everyone could experience what it's like to have superpowers. We hope you'll join us. Thank you.